Manufacturing's always been the backbone of this economy. You don't have a strong economy by people that install dishwashers and service appliances. You have a strong economy if you make those products, if you make those dishwashers, make those appliances. When you produce something in this country and you use the raw products of this country, that multiplies 7 times in the local economy, that payroll. That's huge when you look at the bottom line. When you buy something and bring it into this country and one person installs it, that's not many jobs that go along with that. But when you look at the hundreds of thousands of jobs that manufacturing is doing around the world, and they're getting the benefit of all those jobs and all the raw goods that go into those products, we're not. We're shortchanging ourselves by just being a country that buys things. You can't sustain your economy by just buying things. If you've got manufacturing and you manage that correctly, then you'll be a world leader. Everybody looks at China right now and says that we borrow money from China and everything is China, China, China. If they didn't have the United States as a customer for their manufacturing, if we had that here, then we would be strong as China, if not stronger. We used to be stronger than anybody. You have to make your way. Any century you want to go back to look at, but let's just talk about 100 years ago. People made everything. Their leather goods, their steel, their horseshoes, everything they did it by hand. We've progressed over the years so we don't pick cotton by hand anymore, we don't pick corn by hand, we do a whole lot of things with farm equipment, and we've progressed. But we don't need to quit doing it, we need to expand what we're doing. This country has went from 1960, I think we had somewhere around 180 million people in this country. Now we've got 330 million people. We ought to be farming double time now to feed those people. But no, if you'll look at what's going on right now, what we import food. Now, how ridiculous is a country the size of America that has all the resources and the technology to do so? Why would we import something to eat? That don't even make any sense. We need to put people back to work in this country manufacturing. Those are the jobs that people can really have a good living, take care of their family, and those are not jobs that's out here that are back-breaking jobs. Those are good, honest jobs, good paying jobs. We need to do that here. We need to take care of, because the shortages that we have coming in from the foreign countries right now, mainly China, they delay products, so when it gets here, you're happy to pay any price. Well, that's a game they're playing with American people. I resent it, and we need to go back to work in this country like we always have done.